What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to go over a couple things surrounding the financing that can come along with building a brand new house. But more specifically, do you need a construction loan to build a brand new home? And there's a straightforward answer for particular builders, but it gets cloudy when you talk about different kinds of builders. So today we're going to break down financing in general and just construction loans and how it works with Allen Edwin, the builder that I work for. So for the first point, it's going to be based on the builder that you're looking at. A really important part about interviewing your builders is asking them about financing and how they deal with financing. Usually it's going to be broken down into a couple different ways. They're going to require a construction loan, the construction draw. Basically, that means that you are funding the build. So they're going to take out draws from the loan that you're getting with the lender. And then there's also something called end loan financing, meaning that you're not getting a loan until the end when the home is done, meaning the builder is going to finance that. So you have to make sure that you're asking the builder that you're interviewing what kind of financing that they require for you to build a house with them. Again, it's going to be very different depending on the builder that you're working with. So you have to make sure you ask the question. Also, if you're looking at a more custom build, normally working with a custom builder, not every time, but normally they're going to be more construction loan heavy. That's how they're going to be financing it. And then some of your production builders, your semi-custom, which is what Allen Edwin is a semi-custom builder, they have more options surrounding the end loan financing, meaning that you don't have to carry the loan for the term of the build. And so going in describing some of the end loan financing. So Allen Edwin has end loan financing, right? And that means that you can get the loan at the very end. So you can use your FHA loan, you can use your VA loan, you can use your conventional loan. If you're approved for RD and the area that you're building is RD approved, then you can use your RD loan. End loan financing, you can use whatever loan you're approved for. And next I want to go through and talk about some of the benefits that come along with end loan financing, some of the leverage points. So leveraging end loan financing, again, since you're not getting the loan until the very end, you can leverage the timeline. And there's a couple different ways that people leverage the build timeline. One is going to be increasing their credit scores. Because again, if you're not getting the loan until the very end, then you have this time to work on your credit. And so at the very end, if your credit score is higher, hopefully you can get a lower interest rate. So you can leverage it with your credit score. You can leverage it with your down payment. Again, if you're not getting the loan until the very end, if you take a home off the market in January and it's not ready until November, 11 months for the example, you have 11 months to save money for your down payment. Whether you've already started, are just getting started, or just want to save more money to put more money down in your house, you can leverage that time. And lastly is paying off debts during the build process, actually lowering the amount of debts that you have so that when you go to actually close on your house and you have a monthly payment, some of your debts are lower, which helps your monthly cash flow each and every month. So those are some of the ways where you can leverage the build timeline. And to wrap it up, Allen Edwin does not require you to get a construction loan. You can get an end loan, which means you can use any loan type that you want, any type that you're approved for, FHA, VA, or conventional, and that's really all that's to it. Make sure you check with the builder that you're interviewing on what the financing type is that they require. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.